Hey Albert, Jessica Peterson here. I'm super excited. I was able to talk to your office today and they accepted this video for you. So I'm super excited to be able to show you this video because I'm going to walk you through three tried and true tips that you can start using right away. And I know it's going to make a huge impact for you because I know this because we have used these exact same tips with over 50 other restoration companies just like you guys across the United States that have applied these and have made a huge impact to their business. So I'm super excited to be able to share this with you. And I know you're probably wondering, well, what's in it for her? Why is she even doing this? And that would really be a fair question. And the answer is, I am so passionate about what you guys do. I love that you guys are out there every day helping homeowners and helping displaced families get their lives back. That is so important to me to be able to help you guys do that. And so when I do these videos, whether you guys take this information and apply it yourself, or whether you decide you want to speed up that process and hire us to do it, either way, it really doesn't matter to me because you guys are taking this knowledge, applying it, and making a considerable difference to your business, to your community, and helping more people. And honestly, that's what it's all about, right? So today I'm going to walk you through three things. We're going to talk about content, citations, and backlinks. And once you start applying these, you can start today. Once you start applying these, it's going to make a significant difference for you guys, okay? So first off, I love the business name. I think that's really clever. So kudos to you there. So Google does not rank websites based on appearance. So even though you got a really nice looking website here, Google doesn't really care what it looks like. Google ranks based on content, and content is king. So you need a ton of content throughout your website. And when I'm talking about content, that could be your images. For instance, this image here. Let's see, if we save as, we want to make sure that all your images are optimized. I'm sorry, it's loading a little slow. Okay, so we can see here this image is saved as image 1. And that's not really benefiting you guys. You want to make sure that all the images throughout your website content has your local keywords in there so that it will help you index for more keywords so Google can put you in front of your customers. In addition to any videos or photos, you also need a ton of written content because Google, as I said, doesn't rank websites based on appearance, it's based on content. And they have these little crawlers that are like little robots that come and go through your website and they look through all of this written content and images to learn all about your business. And so if your content doesn't give enough information, if it's not built around those local keywords that people are actively searching for your business, for instance, water damage Los Angeles, San Diego water damage restoration, those type of keywords that people are actively searching to get help, if your website and your content isn't written around that, Google doesn't know who your customers are and who to put you in front of. So it's really critical you work on a content and keyword strategy so that Google can help you find your customers. Your homepage is one of the most important pages of your entire website. It ties the whole thing together. So you need to make sure the homepage is built around those local keywords for each of your services and has at least 1,500 words of written content or more. And if your competitors have more than 1,500 words, you need more than that because you're always going to need more than when your competition is doing. Okay, so let's look at the top competitor for water damage in Los Angeles. And here we have ServPro. And yes, ServPro is a franchise, but they are very beatable. Franchisees get these blank websites that just has generic information and their locations in here. They're not allowed to actually go in here and modify very often. And so you guys are actually at an advantage. So one of the biggest things you guys have to do is just do better than what they're doing. So you just need more content, more relevant content, and a really good dialed in keyword strategy. And you guys can totally beat these guys. Okay? Now, when we're talking content, it's not just the content on your website, but also your Google profile. So if we go through here, as we both know, when customers are searching for services, they're going to use a keyword to try and find that business. And now your business responsibility is to be in front of where the customers are searching. And so on Google, there's really 3 different areas that your business can have really good positioning in. The first is always going to be your ads. Those could be your cost per click ads and even your local service ads. And as long as you have your landing pages and everything dialed in really good, local ads and cost per click ads can be a really great source for you guys to generate more and more jobs. But if everything's not quite dialed in, then we should probably look at some of these other things, such as your Google business profile. So the Google business profile, this map pack area, is a really, really critical area because nearly 30% of people skip everything else and they come to these 3 businesses. So if your profile is not one of these top 3 businesses in your area for each of your services, you're losing out on 30% of those jobs. You're leaving that money on the table and giving it to your competition. Now, there are several factors that go into ranking for this, but the most important is something called citations, which is simply the name of your business, your address, your phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of directories. Directories are things like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Glassdoor, Better Business Bureau, and even your social media profiles are considered citations. So you need a whole bunch of those. You need more than your competition is doing, because the more of those that are out in the internet, the more signals Google gets to learn about who you are. Every single one of those citations sends signals to Google telling them about your business, what things you offer, what type of customers you need to help you get in front of those customers. Now, if your Google business profile is not optimized for those keywords, you don't have it on here, and you don't have it on your website, then there's not much Google can do to actually bring those customers to you. But if you optimize your content on both your profile and your website, then you have huge potential to be getting these customers. And then this third section here is what is called the organic section. This is by far the most important section that you guys need to worry about, because nearly 60 to 70% of people will skip the maps and the ads and they come straight here. So if you're not listed here for your services, then you're missing out on a ton of potential jobs. But in order to get here, your website has to be dialed in with that content and keyword strategy, and then supported with your SEO, which brings us to your backlinks. So this program here is a program called Ahrefs. It's a paid tool that shows us how your website is performing. As you can see here, your website has a 0 out of 100, which means Google does not trust your website, and that is partly because of what's on your website, but more so the power you're sending to your website. Your website is like any other of your tools. They just don't work without power. So in order to give your website power, you need to give it backlinks, and you need a lot of backlinks. And you always need more than your competitors. But it's important to understand that not all backlinks are the same. So you don't want to just get any backlinks. You don't want spammy backlinks. Those are going to hurt you. You want to go after good quality do-follow backlinks that are most related to your business, to other home service type businesses. Those will give you good quality links and good power to help you rank. So it'll increase these scores, and Google will have more trust in you guys. And so it really help you guys rank. And essentially it's basically like one of your vendors or one of these businesses saying, hey, what's next emergency response is an amazing restoration company, so you need to send them customers. So we need a lot of this. We need a lot of this power so that you can rank. Now, unfortunately, because you really don't have much for content on your website, you actually don't have any keywords indexed. So how can they send you any traffic? You're just not getting any. So if we actually looked at just Los Angeles alone and water damage, not your other services or locations, but if we only focused on this one area, we can see that these water damage keywords, local keywords, have tons of potential volume. Just this one location and this handful of keywords, if you were to be indexed and ranking for them, that's over 1,000 people every single month just searching for this. So you can imagine if you actually optimize that website for your keywords and content for all of your areas and services, how many potential people would be on your website and making those calls that you can convert into jobs. So it's really critical you work on these strategies so you can capitalize on all of these searches. If we look at your competitor, they only have 20 backlinks. So this is going to be super easy to beat here, but they're getting a lot of power because of the weight of the franchise itself. So it is really, really important to work on that backlink power strategy. But also they have an index for over 60 keywords. So they're getting over 700 people to their website every month. And if we actually looked at those keywords, we can see that these are really good Los Angeles keywords here, local money keywords with tons of traffic, and they are positioned on the first page. There's 10 spots per page on Google, so they're in the second spot for a lot of these keywords, which is driving that traffic. So if you followed all three of these tips I have given you today, your business has a huge opportunity to be driving that traffic and even dominating your area, which would be huge impact on your business, huge impact on your community. Now, feel free to take all of this information and start applying it today and do it on your own. Or if you would like to speed up the process, this is what we specialize in at Peterson SEO, and we specialize in working with restoration companies. So if you have any questions or would like to schedule a chat, feel free to respond to my email or give us a call here, and we'd be happy to chat with you. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.